Today we are going to do the unboxing of the package that I bought. So this is it, unboxing of this one. So we are going to open it, and then delivered by FedEx. And then this one, Insta360 invisible selfie stick. Insta360 invisible stick. So we have this one. So we are going to open this. So let us see how it looks like and how I'm going to use this one. So we have the foam and we have the stick. Oh, this is the carton and we have the stick. So this is the invisible stick that we are going to use holding the Insta360 camera. So you're going to put this one into the camera, and then you can extend your camera wherever you want to extend it. So we have another one. So that's it. That's the inside box. So we're gonna open this, and then this is it. This is the thank you card. This is the instruction: protect your camera and accessories. So you need to use this one. So you need to read this one, and so that you will know what's the instruction all about, and then apply the instruction into your camera. And then we have gimbals. They are putting we are going to put this one stickers on the gimbals. And then we have the lens cloth, and then there is a card. So the card is 120 gigabyte. So this is extreme 120 gigabyte, and that's for your memory card. And then we have the receipt, included the receipt. So an extra foam, and then you have this one, the main inside. So we have Insta360 X. So what we are going to do is to open this box. So we need to open this. We are going to read everything. So this one. So this is the unboxing of this Insta360 camera. So this is it. It's another one there. So we need to do this one, open this one, and then God, sorry for that. It's really terrible. Oh my God, I'm sorry. Why is it so hard? So this is the camera, the Insta360 camera. So here, this is the parts of this camera, and then I think there is a battery inside here. So battery, what's another one here. So we have this another box, so we need to open this. Might be the charger. Oh, that's the protector for your, let's open this one. This is the protector for the camera. And then when you finish shooting, you need to insert your camera here, and then this one, and then you will do this one. So you have protected your camera for the scratches. And then, oh, there is the cord for this for charging. So this is the cord for charging, and what you're going to do is to have this one inside this one, and then you will put the other end of the cord into the charging station, so you have charged your battery. So the battery is inside the camera, and then the lens, and then we have battery here, and then you will insert your memory card inside. So that's for it. Unboxing of Insta360 X3.